Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here at Regalia Tower, Tower A at 18th floor. Ito po yung units. Floor area 66 square meter with 3 bedroom, bare type, facing EDSA MRT. Ito po yung living room. Slightly negotiable. Ito po yung living room. Look. Ito po yung dining area, kitchen area. Look, 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath. Ayan po, facing EDSA. Ito yung 1 toilet, outer room. Ito yung toilet and bath with jacuzzi. Yan. Tapos, ito po yung isang room. Facing EDSA. Ayan. Ayan o. Ito po yung master bedroom. Two windows. Again, ito, facing EDSA rin, kaya maganda. Nasa 18th floor po kami. Tapos, ito po yung master bedroom, ha. Ito naman yung isang kwarto dito, pangatlo. Facing EDSA rin, kaya maganda. Ang maganda lang dito, pwede nyo ipalising. Ayan. Facing EDSA. Balikan ulit po natin. Master bedroom. With bathtub pala. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. Ayan ang dining area. Ito naman. Ito. Oh, look. Baka mahulog cellphone ko. Oh, diba, EDSA? Ito yung living area. What are you waiting for? Direct inbox me 093381371110. Tapos labas tayo. Katabi lang po ng elevator.